Have you ever wondered why orange cats seem to have such huge personalities? Some people say they're friendlier. Others believe they're incredibly goofy, fearless, or even a little chaotic. If you've spent time online, you've probably heard jokes about orange cats sharing one brain cell. But is there actually any science behind these stereotypes? Can a cat's orange fur really influence its behavior, personality, or even its gender? Today, we're diving into the fascinating science of orange cats. We'll separate myths from facts, explore what genetics tells us, and reveal surprising discoveries that make these fluffy ginger felines one of the most beloved cats in the world. Make sure you watch until the end, because fact number 9 surprises many cat owners. And fact number 13 reveals the biggest misconception about orange cats that millions of people still believe. You won't want to miss it. Now, let's uncover the amazing science behind orange cats. Number 1. Orange cats aren't a breed. One of the biggest misconceptions is that orange cat is a breed. It isn't. Orange cats can belong to many different breeds, including domestic short hair, domestic long hair, Maine Coon, Persian, British short hair, American bobtail, exotic short hair, Scottish fold, Norwegian forest cat. The orange color is simply a coat color, not a breed. That means two orange cats can look completely different depending on their breed. Some are fluffy giants. Others are tiny, short-haired troublemakers. Number 2. The secret is hidden in their DNA. So what makes a cat orange? The answer lies in genetics. Scientists discovered that orange fur is caused by a special gene located on the X chromosome. This gene changes how pigment is produced inside each hair. Instead of producing mostly black or brown pigment called eumelanin, the gene causes the fur to produce more reddish-yellow pigment called pheomelanin. That's why orange cats can range from light cream, golden orange, deep ginger, rich reddish orange. The exact shade depends on other genes that modify the color. It's basically nature mixing different shades like an artist creating a painting. Number 3. Why most orange cats are male. Here's one of the coolest scientific facts. Around 75 to 80% of orange cats are male. Why? Again, genetics. Because the orange gene is located on the X chromosome. Male cats have one X chromosome and one Y chromosome. Females have two X chromosomes. A male only needs one copy of the orange gene to become orange. A female must inherit the orange gene from both parents. Since that's statistically less common, female orange cats are much rarer. So if you meet an orange cat, there's a good chance you're meeting a boy. Number 4. Why calico cats are usually female. This also explains something interesting. Many people ask why calico cats almost always seem to be female. That's because calico cats carry both orange and black color genes on their 2X chromosomes. As embryos develop, each cell randomly switches off one X chromosome. This creates patches of orange and black fur across the body. It's called X chromosome inactivation, sometimes nicknamed the mosaic effect. That's why every calico cat has a unique pattern. No two are exactly alike. Number 5. Do orange cats really have different personalities? Now comes the question everyone wants answered. Are orange cats actually friendlier? Science says. Maybe, but the evidence isn't conclusive. Researchers have surveyed thousands of cat owners about feline personalities. Some studies found owners often describe orange cats as friendly, social, bold, curious, affectionate. However, scientists point out that these observations may also be influenced by breed, environment, socialization, and owner expectations. In other words, people may remember the silly orange cat more than the quiet one. There's currently no strong scientific proof that orange fur alone determines personality. Number 6. Why the one brain cell meme exists. If you spend time on social media, you've probably seen the famous joke. Orange cats all share one brain cell. Of course, this is just a meme. There is absolutely no scientific evidence that orange cats are less intelligent. Many orange cats simply display playful, energetic, fearless behavior. Those behaviors often create hilarious situations. They climb curtains, jump into empty boxes, get stuck in strange places, steal food, interrupt Zoom meetings. These funny moments spread quickly online, making the stereotype even stronger. Number 7. Every orange cat has stripes. Here's something many people don't notice. Every orange cat carries a tabby pattern, even if the stripes seem faint. There are actually several tabby patterns. Classic tabby, large swirling patterns, mackerel tabby, thin tiger-like stripes, spotted tabby, broken stripes that look like spots, tick tabby, tiny bands of color with almost invisible stripes. One thing almost every orange tabby shares: the famous mem marking on the forehead. Scientists believe this marking is part of the tabby pattern controlled by separate genes. Number 8. Orange fur helps cats blend into nature. Long ago, coat color wasn't about looking cute. It was about survival. Orange and reddish colors helped wild cats blend into dry grasslands, autumn leaves, and rocky environments. Camouflage made hunting easier while also helping them avoid predators. Natural selection likely helped preserve these color genes over thousands of years. Number 9. Their nose and paw pads can be pink. Many orange cats have pink noses, pink paw pads, pink lips. That's because their lighter pigmentation affects more than just the fur. Some even develop adorable freckles on their noses or gums as they age. Veterinarians call these harmless freckles lentigo. They're common in orange cats and usually don't require treatment. Number 10. Orange cats can develop freckles. One surprising fact many owners notice is the appearance of tiny black spots. These freckles often appear on nose, lips, gums. Although they may look concerning, they're usually harmless pigment changes that become more noticeable with age. Of course, any rapidly changing spots or sores should still be checked by a veterinarian. Number 11. Coat color doesn't predict health. Some people believe orange cats are healthier than other cats. Others think they're more prone to illness. Current scientific evidence says coat color alone doesn't determine overall health. Instead, a cat's health depends on factors such as genetics, nutrition, vaccinations, regular veterinary care, exercise, dental care, indoor safety. Whether your cat is orange, black, white, gray, or calico, proper care is what truly makes the difference. Number 12. Why orange cats became internet superstars. Orange cats have become some of the internet's biggest celebrities. Their expressive faces, energetic personalities, and playful antics make them perfect for videos and memes. When millions of people repeatedly watch funny orange cat clips, it reinforces the idea that orange cats are naturally comedians. It's a great example of how human perception and viral content can shape popular beliefs. And number 13, the most important thing to remember. The color of a cat's fur is fascinating, but it doesn't define who that cat is. Every cat has its own personality shaped by genetics, early experiences, environment, health, and how people interact with it. Some orange cats are incredibly calm. Others are fearless explorers. Some love cuddles. Others prefer watching the world from a distance. That's what makes every cat unique. Orange cats are much more than internet memes. Behind their beautiful ginger coats lies an incredible story of genetics, evolution, and biology. From why most orange cats are male to how their unique color is inherited, science reveals that these lovable felines are even more fascinating than many people realize. If you learned something new today, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more science-backed cat facts, and let us know in the comments, do you have an orange cat? And does it match the famous orange cat personality? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.